y'all, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas. Today we are doing anything Christmas crafts for you guys, and this is the host Brenda here from Rustic and Lace DIY, and this is the other host Krista from kristascraftylife. I will have the playlist link down in my description box of all the crafters that joined the playlist today for Brenda's 12 Days of Christmas. And I joined Brenda last year, so if you'd like to get some more inspiration from that, I will link that here. So the first thing that we're going to do here is I'm going to use these rub-on transfers. I believe I got these from either Amazon or Temu. And then I'm using some of these wood. This circle, the oval, and the square come from a Hobby Lobby pack. And I'm just going to give them a coat here with this antique wax. And I just do, one of them I actually did both sides because I wasn't thinking, but try to do one side if you can, because the other side we are going to Mod Podge. And yeah, and then I just picked out these three. I end up grabbing another one later because I kind of messed up on one of the backs on the paper, so I ended up changing one of those up, but that's okay. So now what we do here after we let this dry for a little bit, I put down this transfer. And this transfer did hang off a little bit down at the bottom here, so I'm just going to use my zip sander and get that off. And then once I was finished with that, I went ahead and varnished the top of all of these ornaments. You guys, these ornaments are so adorable, and they're the reason for the season. I absolutely love them, and they are all different, and they're colorful and very pretty, and I really loved these transfers. So once I'm finished, we're going to flip those over. Like I said, we're going to Mod Podge the other side, and then I'm going to lay down some paper on top of these, some cardstock paper that I got out from a paper pad, and I'm going to show you that pad here shortly. Just a thick, kind of a thicker, not too thick, but kind of thick, because you know this is wood and it does soak in a little bit. And then we'll do the iron method, of course, so we get a great smooth, no wrinkles and bubbles on there. And I'll do the same. This is the one I'm actually going to change up later because the stamping on this one, just you could not see it and I didn't really care for it. But this is the farmhouse paper pad that I'm using that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I'll just sand around all the edges. And then I'm going to use this stamp that I got from Temu. This stamp is actually a really nice stamp set. I've used it quite a bit this year in a lot of my projects, and it's gone a long way for only a couple dollars. So I'm using some archival permanent ink here. This color, I believe, is the coffee color that I'm using. It gives me that rustic vintage kind of feel, and I like that. And then here is another stamp we're going to use on this side. And I kind of had a feeling my stamp wasn't going to take very well on that one, but I wanted to try it out anyways. Fails happen sometimes when we craft, and of course we're crafters, so we can just recraft it. So I'm going to use those same little, I almost said sunflowers, you guys, snowflakes. I'm using that, there's like a larger size and then a little bit of a smaller size one. And I think this one's really pretty. I actually like that color combo there. It's like the brown, the like jean looking blue, faded blue, and the white. That's really pretty together. I like that. Now this is the one I was talking about. It says have a cozy Christmas, but it just did not turn out very well. And you could not even see it or nothing. It looks like a big blurred blob there. So I just went ahead and carried on and just thought about it for a minute. Sorry if you can hear my dog. She's a bit grumpy right now and growling. So, and she's up my butt. So, yeah. She hears doggies outside and Mom tells her no. She knows her not supposed to. be barking while I'm trying to talk. She can wait until Mama's done, but she's just doing her little silent growls here. I think it's so cute. But this is what the other one ended up turning like, you guys. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. And let's just go ahead and hop right into the final look of these. And I want to say thank you to Brenda and Krista and all of you guys that are watching and all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Look at this. Mary and Joseph with Jesus. Aw. And look here. So cute in a different way. I really love it. I love the creativity and the thought behind it. So pretty. And what do we have here? We have the shepherds. How pretty. I love it. I think it's beautiful. And then this one is so colorful. This is the three kings bringing their gifts. Here is the Winter Wonderland. I think this one is very, very pretty. I just love the colors there, even though they're kind of just, I don't know, they're subtle. Let It Snow. I think this is very pretty. And I like the farmhouse paper. It's really, really pretty. I want to say thank you guys and God bless. And if you guys would like to get some more inspiration, you can watch either one of these videos here. And if you'd like, you can subscribe to my channel by tapping my picture here. It will take you right to that. Now, I want to say thank you again for watching my video today. And thank you to all the hosts. Until next time, guys, we'll see y'all soon.